Are you stuck logged into eBay on a shared computer and can't find the sign out button? Learn exactly how to log out in under 30 seconds. I'll show you the quick steps. Open eBay, sign in if needed, hover your name, and click Sign Out. Let's go. All right, so let's start with your browser. Go ahead and open whatever browser you normally use. Chrome, Safari, Firefox, it doesn't matter. Then type in ebay.com and hit enter. The page should load up pretty quickly. Now, if you're already logged in, you'll see your name up in the top left corner of the page. If you don't see that yet, then the first thing to do is sign in. And here's the thing, sometimes you might land on a page that looks like the home page, but if you're not sure, just look for that sign in button near the top. If you do need to sign in, click that button, enter your email address, then click continue. Then type in your password. Now, this is a really important moment. Make sure you're on the real eBay site. Look at the address bar. It should say ebay.com. If it looks weird or misspelled, do not type your password. In my experience, the real eBay site always starts with ebay.com and has a little lock icon next to it. Once you've typed your password, click the sign in button. Now that you're signed in, let me show you how to get out. Look to the top left corner of the page. You should see your username right there. Hover your mouse cursor over it. Don't click yet, just hover. You'll see a menu drop down with a bunch of options like account settings, orders, and purchase history. That's exactly what we're looking for. So here's where it happens. In that drop-down menu, you'll see a red button that says Sign Out. Go ahead and click it. And that's it. You've just logged out. Now, you'll notice the page will start to reload all by itself. This is eBay processing your request. It might take a couple of seconds, so just be patient. You'll see the page refresh, and the layout will change slightly. Once the page finishes loading, you need to check that you're actually signed out. Look up at the top left corner again. Instead of your name, you should see a button that says Sign In. That's how you know it worked. You might also see a small message saying something like, "You have successfully signed out." If you see that, you're good to go. And just to be extra safe, you can click around the page a little. Try clicking on something like the daily deals or the home link. If it ever asks you to sign in again, you've definitely logged out. And that's it. You are now signed out of eBay and your account is safe. You can close your browser or walk away from that shared computer with total peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get out of that sticky situation in just a few seconds.